Yeah. 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. It's your boy, Miaga this, Miaga that, CLCIM. Today is it's a Wednesday, it's the 21st, I think. Let me just double check, or 22nd, I'm not sure. 21st or 22nd, but I know it's a Wednesday, September 2025, and I'm back at it. I'm doing this, I'm back on the YouTube for the reasons of I'm using this as a personal journal, and I'm not gonna put pressure on myself and like drop a video every single consecutively. I'm just gonna record, make the video entertaining, make it fun for me also, because I stopped doing it because I felt like I was trying to prove a point, and I don't have anything to prove. I know who I am, I know that I'm disciplined, I know that I'm a great trader, I know that I'm a great person, and there's nothing for me to prove. Anything that you have to prove in life, you have to prove to yourself. So I'm gonna journal. I'm gonna try and journal as much as I can. Connect with other people. I've noticed that like the YouTube, there's people that I actually watch and people that I actually support, and you don't know where this whole thing could go. I could actually connect with other traders, other business ideas. Who knows who could watch this video? And I've even seen like influencers get accounts to trade from prop firms, so I could get sponsors and whatnot, and it's beneficial at the end of the day. And another thing the reason why I'm also doing this is to just improve the way that I speak, the way that I articulate, and I enjoy creating. I'm a creative person. I would say I'm artistic to an extent, so I'm gonna use this to express myself with the way that I edit. I'm gonna try and make this as artistic as well, artistic and professional at the same time. But yeah, Miaga this, Miaga that, 5-star trading, we back in full motion. We back in full motion, man. Right now, I would just like to speak on following your rules. Following your rules. Today I broke my rules. I broke my rules of only having one trade a day. I took 2 trades today. Initially my bias was I'm gonna sell the markets today, GU, since yesterday. Then I ended up buying. I was thinking that I'm gonna buy into the levels that I would like to sell, but price had a different idea and ended up just selling from the current level that we were at, and that was also an option. But I just broke my rules, and I was like, I would say I had FOMO of not being in a trade or not doing anything, so I just entered buys and then went to stop loss quickly. So I broke my rule there. Then I was literally like just watching the market. I'm like, here's my setup forming right here, and now then I took the trade, and with a very tight stop loss because I had already taken a loss, so I didn't have much drawdown left on the prop firm account. So done that. Currently holding the trade right now. It was the last time I checked the trade, we were very close to take profit, and yeah, that's just the thing. The thing is, just follow your rules. If you have back tested and you know what your strategy holds, inevitably, like after a long period of time, you're going to be profitable. So there's no need for you to try and just chase like 1 or 2 wins now, because that's just ruining the whole sequence. This thing is a sequence. So from now on, I'm gonna try and just trade fully over a long period of time, and then just showcase. I know it works. I've back tested. I've done it before. Now it's just a matter of being consistent and mostly disciplined. I'm a disciplined person. I'm very, very disciplined. So now it's just practice. without results. You just have to be consistent, have faith in yourself, and yeah, man, yeah, this, yeah, that. So that's something else. Everybody's not perfect, bro. I broke my rules today so badly, but it's cool, man. It's cool. I'm still living. Like now, I can handle it much better because I've done this before, and I used to when I do this, I used to like be in my head and like beat myself over it. But now I accept it because I understand this is something that I used to do, and it's gonna take just a little bit of adjusting and uncomfortability to move away from that. But then this is a step forward because now I'm aware of it. Now I really know, like, I shouldn't do this, I shouldn't be doing this, and I'm much more aware when I'm doing what I shouldn't be doing. So yeah, mianga this, mianga that, 5-star, 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 5-star. If you're new to the channel, this is 5-star trading, where mianga this, mianga that, a trader. I trade GU, strictly the 15 minutes. I just tweaked my strategy just a bit. Now I trade London kill zone and New York kill zone. If I miss a trade in London kill zone, one trade a day, risk about 1%, 1 to 2%. Yeah, I'm mianga this, mianga that, 5-star, 5-star, 5-star. I'm a winner. I am a winner. And if you're new, welcome. Thank you for watching the video. Good night. 5-star, 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 5-star.